Imagine you enter the gated community. All the buildings were same. You find difficult to differentiate between your friend's home and his neighbor's home. Now, what do you think? You regret of the same pattern, right? In 1980s, the architect named Mr. Wright also regret of patterns. In his period, if you wandered his neighborhood, you will notice if a model house was famous and successful, then similar kind of houses mushroom everywhere in the county. Mr. Wright find this kind of building of same pattern so disturbing. He thought it would make the people soulless. Have you ever saw a same pattern of house and office in your neighborhood? We all do. But Mr. Wright is an architect. He always tells his subordinate that in nature no two trees are same. So does our design. Whenever Mr. Wright was asked to design a house for his client, he always go against the conventionality, and it always lead him to a great design. In a situation like, for example, in 1934, he got a client named Edgar Kaufman, a Pittsburgh departmental store magnate. Asked him to design a vacational house. Mr. Wright accepted it. But if you went to his office, he simply had ignored all the works for months. One day, Edgar had enough and telephoned Mr. Wright and said, "I need to see the design in 2 hours, Mr. Wright." "Sure, you will, Mr. Kaufman." Wright's associate aghast. Then Mr. Wright penned the design at the very moment. Later, he showed his design to the client Edgar. To my surprise, Edgar loved the design. The design was called Falling Water. Wright learns that when we force one's mind to face the problem in the moment without any research and preconception, we can create something totally new. Patterns makes us dull. We travel on the same route, going to the same place, doing the same work. Patterns makes to sit on a comfort zone. Patterns kills the creativity. The right problem confronted at the right moment, our brain finds a new way which we never thought of. We can create something new. With that, stories makes us to realize about something totally new every time. With that note, if you find our stories interesting, inspiring, like, share and follow. You can share our stories to your friends and family who likes to hear inspiring stories. With that note, I'm your host Jacob Raj. You're hearing Just a Storyteller.